everybody. Good morning. This is Jean here from Truelove Quilts for You. But we're not quilting today.
No, we're not. As you can see, there's a bunch of shoes on the table.
There are tons of shoes on my sewing room table, and this is going to actually be an unboxing video of Maxwell's shoes that we just got. He just got them. You just ran out to the, was it a UPS?
UPS guy, very nice.
Very nice UPS guy. Maxwell ordered his, what kind?
New Balance.
New Balance shoes. But he wanted to share with you people his shoe collection. All right, so now I'm going to turn this over to Maxwell. Shoes are his thing. Some of them are older, some of them are new, but Maxwell will explain what he has here. Maxwell, there you go.
So, as you could see, like, let me just move this box out of the way.
Okay.
These three, as you could tell, they're not really the most flattering shoes in the world. Well, there's one word for these: abused. These are the three shoes that I abused. These are, fun fact, these are actually falling apart. With like the 3 years I've actually owned these shoes.
Because they are cheap shoes.
These are Kohl's shoes.
Oh, they were Kohl's.
These are Kohl's.
And they are Skechers?
Yeah, these are Skechers.
Well, they were like 50 bucks.
These are the Skechers 5th Gen Go Run.
I do remember buying them.
Yes, these were
They are your work shoes. Sure.
These were my work shoes. They're still are, but I don't use these as much as I do these.
Okay.
Now, I'm slowly going to these boots because these are hiking boots. I have to break these in because I've worn them a total of like 6 times.
And after a while,
these, the reason why I have these in front of these, because these, after a while, they start hurting. Same with these.
We'll explain that. But these are
these are
steel toe?
These are not steel toe.
Okay.
They are specifically hiking boots.
Hiking boots.
So they're
Okay. Oh my!
So actually,
No, they're not steel toe.
These are not steel toe. They
are so heavy, it's not even funny. So I can see why your feet would hurt. But Maxwell has a size 12 wide shoe. And the reason we're making a big thing of his shoes is he's very difficult to get nice looking shoes. So we come along here.
So these are my New Balance all-terrains. I also have these.
No, okay, so we got these at Famous Footwear.
Yes, we got, no, these were not Famous Footwear.
I thought they were Famous Footwear.
These two were Famous Footwear.
Oh, these two were Famous Footwear. Okay, that's a place in America here. Nice shoe shop, Famous Footwear.
Yeah.
So you got the Skechers.
I got these and these.
Okay, pick them up. These are
Skechers Ultralights, and I'm bad with names. What is that? C6.
680 Skechers.
These are New Balance.
Oh, they're New Balance, and these are Skechers.
Yes.
Okay, now which ones fit you better? So if anybody's wanting to know.
Every shoe like fits me differently. They have their own like style to them.
Okay, now those are
Jordan.
These are Jordans.
These are surprisingly 2 sets of Air Jordans. So, yeah.
Now, do they fit you?
These fit me perfectly. These, on the other hand, don't exactly fit me all that well.
Right. And they were what? We didn't buy these Air Jordans. They were...
These were actually my graduation gift. These white ones.
These were presents. This was a present from...
Where are they from?
Your brother?
My brother-in-law's, his wife, well, it's my brother.
Your sister-in-law's?
It's my brother Francois, but his wife Brianna, and I call him my brother-in-law, even though he's not really my brother-in-law.
Right.
Her brother Ryan gifted me these shoes, I still have to like wear these. I wore those, like, how many times did you say I actually put those things on?
Maybe 6 or 7 times. They're the unfortunate thing, or whatever, with these more expensive shoes. These are expensive shoes. These were Air Jordans, both of them pairs. And we're finding that the more expensive shoes don't come in wide widths.
Yes.
The cheaper shoes, the Skechers.
These have more like harder material.
Yeah.
Like,
obviously, look at the difference.
Do you understand why I try to buy ultralight shoes?
Yeah.
But they can bend.
Yes. So with Maxwell's wide foot, he needs lighter shoes, and when he goes hiking, these are shockingly heavy, as these are. Well, they're not quite as heavy, but anyway, we're coming to the point where Maxwell just got some. You can go over that way. He just got his New Balance shoes, and we're going to be doing sorry.
No.
Sorry.
With the logic of putting dirty shoes next to perfectly pristine, taken care of white shoes.
Okay. That's why we have a towel down here. So we're going to do an unboxing of Maxwell's New Balance shoes. These shoes were $75, $74.99, and that was the shipping included.
Yes.
And it took how many days?
Too long.
Yeah, it took a little bit.
We were ordering it from an site, website. I'm not even sure what website it was.
Yeah, and a very, very kind, my crafty channel, whatever it was, excuse me, I forget. You recommended this link, and we went and bought them. So here we are.
This is. No, I don't even know if these even shoes will fit me.
Yeah, hopefully.
What's this?
And that's probably the invoice or the packing slip.
Follow
no one.
Okay.
You don't follow anyone. Okay. Yeah, that's the packing list. If we have to return these, Maxwell.
I'm not sure if these will even fit me.
Okay. This is the New Balance. This comes from Missouri.
Oh, that's why it took so long.
Well, no, that's not. Well, yeah.
Yeah, it came from Missouri. That's probably why it took so long.
Okay, so if they don't fit, if you're not 100% satisfied, we can ship it for free within 45 days. So let's see them. Maxwell, now say what you've been wanting.
I've been looking for a red pair of shoes. I've been looking, like, for how long has it been?
It's been a long time.
Yes, I would say like 6 months.
Yeah.
I've been looking for a red pair of shoes.
So because he has what? Blue, white, and black.
Yes, but there's no red. What is it with red shoes? What you can't find?
Yeah, that fit.
Exactly.
That fit. You can find. We found tons of red shoes, but they were all
cheesy looking. Very cheesy.
Cheesy and medium width.
They were medium width. So I'm just taking chances with these shoes. These are the red shoes.
I don't think they're gonna fit you.
Hey, how do you know?
Because I'm your mother.
Unless I try.
Go on.
Because these
try.
very similar width to these.
Are they? They look narrow.
They are narrow, but this is how these started out. At the beginning.
Can I feel them?
Like.
Oh, they're nice and light. Now these are New Balance. What are they called?
I don't even know.
New Balance 4040. So let's. Oh, wait a second. Oh no, 12. I was looking at the UK 11 and a half. So these are 12 wide in America. In the UK they're 11 and a half, and in the Europe they're 46 and a half. That's the measurement. So these are called baseball? What is that?
These are pretty much like baseball shoes.
Oh. So are they okay?
We'll see. I don't even know.
Did you know you're buying baseball shoes? Because they have this funky tread.
I'm not sure if I'm going to like these.
I know. Honestly. Maxwell, we should have read the instructions. We were all excited. We're like, ooh, shiny. One click buy. I was a good mom. I'm like, yeah, we'll just buy these. What the heck are these?
Will these work?
Okay, we'll try them on. Try them on. This is the test. Here you go. I really opened that one up. I really
when I tried to open that, you're already done these.
I know. Because I'm a mother. Okay, come on. I'm all excited. And you got to put your foot up to see if they fit.
Not really. Nope.
Oh, no. You're kidding.
They're too...
Well, maybe...
I'm going to give them like a week.
Because we have 45 days to return
45 days. I'm going to give them a week or two just to wear them like...
Well, I don't know if you can wear them because we have to return them in brand new shape. They won't return them. So you don't think they're going to fit you?
Did they say these were 12 wides?
The box says they're 12 wide. 12.
That's USA.
12 wide.
12.
2E wide, large, 12 man's USA. And I'm telling you, that does not look. Now that looks a wide shoe. Like that fits them. Look at the difference, Maxwell. I think they missed. Oh, this is a bummer. Oh, sorry. I think, look at the difference between that. Okay, all right. Look at the difference between that shoe and that shoe. Oh, my word.
How do they expect that to be a 12 wide? You do realize you're holding the wrong side of the shoe.
Yeah, look at that. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. This is supposed to be a 12 wide. Oh, it's so disappointing.
For a baseball shoe.
This is disappointing. Oh well, that's a bust. I think we're gonna have to return them.
We'll return them, and
we'll have a part 2.
Yes, we'll have a part 2 of these, and maybe if I'm lucky, they'll be like one of these pair of Jordans. But I found a pair of Jordans,
and they're $170, and I'm not paying $170. These were $75.
Hey, they were $103.
$103. But these don't fit you as much.
No, they were 12 wide there. I was just pointing to the first pair of Jordans I saw. Like they are these, but they're a different model.
So the Jordan Flight.
But the ones I'm not getting, they're not Jordan Flights, but they're 12 wides in Jordans.
We might have to just bite the bullet and spend $103 because these New Balance shoes do not fit.
And we didn't even realize they were baseball shoes.
They're baseball shoes. I don't know. Our one click, we were all excited.
Ooh, one click buy! Like this is gonna do anything.
We were waiting so long for these silly shoes. I think we're gonna have to return them. And the thing is, I don't return a lot of stuff. I really don't. But I mean, the $75. We have the packing slip. I think we're gonna have to return them. What a bummer. That's a shame. That's a shame.
One pair of red shoes.
One pair of red shoes. Red shoes, 0. Oh well. Yeah, that's a shame. Oh well. So our unboxing did not go too well. The New Balance 4040s are not wide. This is the litmus test. Skechers. Look at that hunkin' shoe there. Maybe we'll still look around for a red Skechers. Because they would be nice.
My motto is I would like. Have you noticed a pattern with the shoes here?
What is the pattern?
If I actually reorganize these.
Okay, go on.
So these two shoes at the end, off-brand. Even though these are Avia, never heard of them, don't even know what they are, don't even know what these are.
Well, they're good shoes.
So I have my Skechers here. Abused, take care of.
Yeah.
So I have New Balance, one right here, and one right here. Besides those red ones. And I have the Jordans. What other major brand is missing? Is the Nike brand.
We looked at Nike. Oh, the Nike brand is what was $103.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Maybe we'll get Nike. Maybe we'll get Nike shoes. Oh, excuse me.
Don't touch the white.
Don't touch the white shoes. Okay. Sorry. Please.
Please,
Okay.
don't touch those white shoes.
Okay.
Those are my...
Yeah, I know. He really does try to look after them. And I won't touch them. These are a 12.
I don't mind if you touch the black part,
Okay.
but you can touch the...
These are a 12.
Yes.
And it doesn't say wide. UK 11, Euro 36, 46. Made in Vietnam. Anyway, so there we are, a bit out of luck. That's a shame. We've been waiting for 2 weeks for these shoes, 10 days, 2 weeks, and they don't fit.
Unboxing gone wrong.
Unboxing gone wrong. So anyway, folks, if you have a 12 wide foot, we do not recommend these shoes. It says 12 wide and they do not fit. What a shame. What a shame. So back to the drawing board, Maxwell. Aw, don't cry.
Hey, you do realize it said 12E.
Yeah, yeah.
It was E, not wide.
It says wide. You have to read the, it does.
Are you sure we...
Read the box. Read the box.
Are you...
So the camera just clicked off. We have to return these.
Yes, these don't fit me.
What a shame. Sorry about that.
Maybe we can get some... Oh, I remember what I said when I clicked off. I'm going to get a $103 pair of Jordans.
Oh, is that what you said?
No, they're actually Nikes I'm going to get.
Nikes, $103. Probably we're going to have to get a $103 pair of Nikes.
Hey.
But I'm wondering, I'm wondering if they're going to fit.
It's a gamble we're going to have to take.
It is a gamble we're going to have to take. I think we're going to have to bite the bullet. Not that, I mean, you know, not that I don't mind spending the money. I've spent $75. These were $50. These were a present. How much are these? I wonder how much these are. The Jordan Flight.
These are Air Jordans.
Air Jordans. I don't know how much they are.
These, I've looked them up. These go like for $80 to $100.
Ah, well that's. But you can't get them in red.
We'll
look them up. Look it up.
What I would like to get is, have you noticed a pattern here? This is how I organized it before it cut out.
No.
I have the off-brands.
No, we already did that.
Wait a minute.
Yeah,
we already did that.
We already did that. We're like obsessing over the shoes now.
Shiny.
We've already gotten your shoes in order. I'm not touching your shoes.
Well, I don't mind you touching the ones, but ones what are... I don't mind you touching every other shoe, but there's one pair of shoe I don't like Mom touching.
These ones.
These ones.
Yeah, you've had them. He's had them for years, and look how bright they are. You haven't worn them a lot.
I haven't had these for years.
Yeah, you got them for...
These were for my graduation.
And you graduated when?
Last year.
2 years ago. 2 years ago.
Last year.
Or last year. Oh, yeah.
You graduated last year.
Okay, well, a year. You've had them for a year.
A year, and I only wore them like 6 times.
Yeah, about 6 times. That's why they're like in pristine condition. Anyway, this is going on and on.
They're in pristine condition because I take care of my shoes.
I know you do. I know you do. You do. You're hard on your shoes.
Like the work shoes. Do you really want me to try to keep a pair of work shoes what get dirty rather?
No, I know.
Quickly.
Yeah.
I used to keep these pair of shoes clean, but
then they got.
I kind of gave up these.
Yeah.
These were going to be construction shoes, and these were going to be like Vista window film shoes.
Yes.
There wasn't much Vista window film till these. The soles are kind of going now.
Yeah.
I went over to these.
They were nice. They're nice.
These were nice before
they got relegated to work shoes.
Yes.
So anyway, all right. Anyway, folks, that's that. We're going to click off now, and we're going to return our shoes, and then we'll go back to the computer, go back to the drawing board, and we'll let you know what happens.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye.